Best AI image generator app for Android. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you what is the best AI image generator app for Android. So let's get into it. So this is the application right here. It is called DaVinci AI photo generator, and just simply search for it and click on install to install the application. And once it's installed, all you have to do is just simply click on open to open the application. Wait for it to load up, and once it's here, all you have to do is click on continue, and then just simply create a unique tattoo. If you want to, click on continue. It's going to ask you for notifications and permissions to access the camera and all of that, so allow it. And over here is the pricing plan, but for now we just want to try it out, so we'll just go ahead and use it for free. Now over here, all you have to do is add in your prompt right here. So as you can see, this is the prompt that we have added. We just simply click on create, and over here down below we just simply select the style. So some of these are pro, some of these are not pro. We choose the style and click on create, and then it's going to create your image. And once it's created, it'll show you what it is. So as you can see, this is the image right here. It looks really cool, really creepy, and we can recreate it and choose whatever name we want. And that is how you do it. So this is one of the best apps out there. Although it is not free, you have to pay a certain amount of money. But if you want to use it for free, you can, but you have to wait for some ads. But overall, it does a really, really good job, and I highly recommend you use it. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.